Hello dear students, today I am here with the part 3 of the first chapter, Resources and Development of Geography of class 10. In the previous part, that is part number 2, we studied about land degradation. What were some of the reasons of the depletion of the resources? We studied about sustainable development. We studied about resource planning in India. We studied about the land degradation and how the conservation of land could take place. Now, in this third part, dear students, we are going to study about 6 types of soils. Alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. So first of all, let us start with alluvial soil. If I talk about alluvial soil, the entire northern plains are made up of alluvial soil. These have been deposited by some of the important Himalayan river system. And which are those rivers? Those Himalayan rivers are Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Alluvial soil is also found on the eastern coastal plains, particularly in the deltas of Mahanadi River, Krishna River, Godavari River and Kaveri River. The alluvial soil consists of various proportions of sand, silt and clay. Mostly these soils contain adequate proportion of potash, phosphoric acid and lime, which are ideal for the growth of sugarcane, paddy, wheat and other cereal and pulse crops. Now, alluvial soil can be categorized into 2 parts. One is bhangar, another one is khadar. Bhangar is also called old alluvium or old alluvial soil. It is the oldest alluvial soil and has a higher concentration of conker nodules. It is less fertile than khadar. They lie above the flood plains. They resemble terraces. The soil of this region is locally known as conker and is composed of calcareous deposits. And the new alluvial soil is called khadar, has less concentration of conker nodules than bhangar and it is more fertile than bhangar. You can see the differentiation between these two, bhangar and khadar. Now, next type of soil is black soil. The features of black soil: these soils are black in color and are also known as regur soil. They are ideal for growing cotton and is known as black cotton soil. This type of soil is typical of Deccan Trap region, spread over northwest Deccan Plateau and is made up of lava. Black soils are made up of extremely fine clay material. These soils are sticky when wet. They are sticky in nature when they are wet and difficult to work on unless tilled immediately after the first shower. Means immediately after the first shower that is rain, it should be tilled after the first shower or during the pre-monsoonal period, means before the monsoon arrives. They need to be tilled before the monsoon or just after the first shower. Now, if I talk about regur soil, Regur soil It is rich in iron, lime, calcium, potassium, aluminium and magnesium. But they are deficient, means lack. They lack in nitrogen, phosphorus and organic matter. And what is their color? Deep black to light black. As I told you, it is found in Deccan Trap region, mainly in Maharashtra, Gujarat, parts of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Now, next type of soil is your red soil, or you can call it yellow soils also. Yellow soil or red soil. Red soil develops an crystalline igneous rock in areas of low rainfall in the eastern and southern parts of the eastern and southern parts of Deccan Plateau. These soil are found in parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of the middle Ganga plain and along the Piedmont zone of Western Ghats. These soil develop a reddish color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. It looks yellow. Why it is called yellow also? It looks yellow when it occurs in a hydrated form, means when water is added to it. And what are the crops which can be cultivated? Wheat, cotton, pulses, tobacco, oil seeds, potato, etc. Where are these found? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Now next type of soil is laterite soil. You can see conchers over here. These are the conchers. Now, the laterite develops in area with high temperature and heavy rainfall. Where it develops, where the temperature is high and heavy rainfall is also there. This soil is suitable for cultivation with adequate doses of manures and fertilizers. Means to carry on cultivation in this, where this type of soil is present, you need to add doses of manures and fertilizers. These soils are mainly found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and the hilly areas of Odisha and Assam. After adopting appropriate soil conservative techniques, particularly in the hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, this soil is very useful for growing tea and coffee. If you talk about some other crops, rice, ragi, sugarcane and cashew nuts are cultivated mainly where this soil is found. Now, next type of soil is your arid soil. Arid, desert soil, what you call it. Desert soil. Now, if you talk about arid soil ranges from red to brown in color. They are generally sandy in texture and saline in nature. In some areas, the salt content is very high and common salt is obtained by evaporating the water. The bottom layer of conker restricts the infiltration of water. Means water is properly drained inside the soil. After proper irrigation, water is required. These soils become cultivable, as has been in the case of Western Rajasthan. Now, let us talk about the forest soil. If I talk about forest soil are formed in the forest areas where sufficient rainfall is available. The soil vary in structure and texture depending on the mountain environment where they are formed. They are loamy and silty on valley sides and coarse grained in the upper slopes. In the snow-bound areas of the Himalayas, they experience denudation and are acidic with low humus content, because all the soil is drained towards the your plains. That's why conker is there, low humus is there. The soil found in the lower valleys are very fertile. Yes, lower valleys, because river water, they carry the soil from the mountainous region to the plains. So this was all about the major soil types of India. You can see on the map where you can find forest and mountain soils in the Jammu and Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh and parts of Tripura. Red soil also you can see. Yes, of course, the white part is your alluvial soil. You can see on the map, deep black soil where it is found, shallow black soil, mixed red and black soil. These are also there. You can see on the map very clearly. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will have the last part of this chapter, sorry, in which we'll study about soil erosion and soil conservation methods. Thank you.